children, in this class we are going to learn a very interesting poem, Butterfly Laughter. This poem is composed by Catherine Mansfield. Butterfly is the most beautiful insect. It has bright and colorful wings. Butterflies make the world a little more colorful. It's a story of grandmother. She wants to feed the porridge to her grandchildren. Normally our mother and grandmother, they use many tricks to tell the stories. Normally our mother or grandmother, they use many tricks to make us eat. Many children, they do not eat very well. They will tell very interesting stories. Many children, they do not eat very well. They will tell many stories. Make them eat. In this poem, Butterfly Laughter, the grandmother is feeding her grandchildren by using funny tricks. Before going to the poem, we shall concentrate on the difficult words. See the difficult words here, children. Porridge, it means sweet. Porridge, sweet. Children like to eat porridge. Children like to eat porridge. Laughter. Laughter meaning the action or sound of laughing. The action or sound of laughing. Tom burst into laughter. Hearing the joke. Tom burst into laughter, hearing the joke. Middle. Middle means central. Center. Middle means central. Center. Here the sentence is, the car stopped in the middle of the road. The car stopped in the middle of the road. Now you can observe the lines. I will read it. Concentrate on the way of reading. In the middle of our porridge plates, there was a blue butterfly painted. And each morning we tried who should reach the butterfly first. Then the grandmother said, do not eat the poor butterfly. That made us laugh. This poem is Butterfly Laughter. It's a joke on butterfly. In the middle of our porridge plates. It means in the center of our porridge plate. Porridge means it's a semi-solid liquid food item. In Kannada also we call paisa. You can see the bowl. You can see here the bowl. What is in the bowl? You can see the butterfly. A blue butterfly is there, no? Yes. This bowl the grandmother used to feed her grandchildren porridge. There was a blue butterfly painted. It was a design. A blue butterfly. And each morning we tried who should reach the butterfly first. Children are hungry in the morning and waited for the breakfast. They used to run towards the dining table and try to reach the plate or seat first. And here it is written, who will reach the butterfly first? Then the grandmother said, do not eat the poor butterfly, because the children are hungry. So they run towards the dining table. The grandmother make the joke for the kids. I know you are hungry, so you don't eat the poor butterfly. You only eat porridge. That made us laugh. It became a joke. She's always said it like that only. We used to laugh every day, over it every morning. Now we have to move to the next paragraph. We have to move to the next paragraph. Here are the difficult words. Teeniest means smallest. Teeniest, smallest. It was the teeniest room. It was the teeniest room. Perch. It means sit, rest. Perch. Sit, rest. Birds perch on the trees. Birds perch on the trees. Seem. It means appear, look. Seem, appear, look. Tom seems happy. Tom looks happy. Lap, the flat area between the waist and knees of a seated person. The flat area between the waist and knees of a seated person. Here is the sentence. The baby is sitting on the mother's lap. The baby is sitting on the mother's lap. Joke. Talk humorously. Joke. Talk humorously. I read jokes almost every day. I read jokes almost every day. Always she said it and always started us laughing. It seemed such a sweet little joke. I was certain that one fine morning the butterfly would fly out of our plates, laughing the teeniest laugh in the world, and perch on the grandmother's lap. Always she said it and always it started us laughing. It seemed such a sweet little joke. It became a joke. She always said it like that only. And we used to laugh over it every morning. I was certain that one fine morning the butterfly would fly out of our plates. I was certain that one fine morning the butterfly would fly out of our plates. Who is the I here? I is the poet. Who is the I here? I is the poet. What is the meaning of certain? Sure. What is the meaning of certain? Sure. I was that sure. I was that sure. One day the butterfly will fly out of the plates. Laughing the tiniest laugh in the world and perch on the grandmother's lap. Laughing the tiniest laugh in the world and perch on the grandmother's lap. All of you know, children, the butterflies are tiniest creatures in the world. The tiniest creatures, teeniest laugh. The butterfly, when they fly the butterfly, they come and sit the grandmother's lap and says, "Save me, save me, the children are hungry, they can eat me up." Children, I feel the tiny butterfly has made us all laugh. Thank you.